Hi everyone, today we're doing a review on this 6-inch electric chainsaw. It was gifted to us in exchange for our review. I really like the fact that it came with this outer case. It's going to make it easy to store it when it's not in use. It came with some detailed instructions of how to use it, and also all of the parts that came in the kit. Came with an extra chain, some safety goggles, and a pair of gloves. I think the coolest feature to this is that it came with 2 separate rechargeable high-capacity batteries. It's very easy to plug that in. Goes right there. And then it will have about 60 minutes of work time for a fully charged battery. Right there is an indication of how charged your battery is. It will go right into the wall for charging. And then it also comes with this great chainsaw. You can see this guard on the top and also on the bottom. That'll be very helpful when cutting things so it doesn't snap back at you and hit your hand. Right there is where you tighten and loosen up the chain. The chainsaw is very lightweight. I know I'm going to be able to use that in many different situations. Now right there is where you will be putting oil in it and you just prime it all up. The chainsaw itself is self-lubricating. And one oil fill in there can last you up to all day long. All right, let's talk about performance. This chainsaw was so easy to handle, and it really took and tackled every task that I had. Look at it easily cutting through this old tree that I had to cut down. Very easy, and it was a clean cut. Look how smooth that cut was. So simple and easy to use. I had a shrub here, and it cut through there. It just made my job so much easier and really did such a great job around in my yard. I'm going to be able to use this for many years to come, and it's going to be so simple. The charge that it had, it lasted all of what I needed. All in all, this is a great mini chainsaw, and I do suggest it. See you guys next time.